Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2018 68 plate Audi A3. Now this is a sport model. It's a 1.5 TSI COD, so it's a cylinder on demand. So when you think about fuel efficiency, if you're pottering around town, these are absolutely fantastic. Now finished in probably one of the best colours, Cosmos Blue metallic paintwork, which looks absolutely ace on this car. Shows off the lines of the car very well, gives it that stunning mirror finish. Now spec wise, the sports come very well specified. So this is a facelift car, so we've got the updated front and rear end, different headlamps with the headlamp wash. Now this vehicle actually has front radar for your cruise control, so quite a sought after option to have. LED daytime running lights. Condition wise, lovely things, so you can tell bodywork, paintwork, it's all in nice order. Now alloys wise, we're riding on these 5-spoke alloys, 17-inch, finished in a lovely sparkle silver. We've got bright silver detailing on the window surrounds. Looking then round the grab handles, looking down the door edges, no signs of any chips on paint. Tyres, riding on really nice tyres as well. Coming through to the back, A3 35 TSI badging. Looking through to the boot, parcel shelf is present. We've got split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. Down here then, added storage with a space saver spur wheel. Quite a nice thing to have. Most of these newer cars, they all come with tyre inflation kits. We've got a 12-volt power outlet. We've got a bit of netting there as well. That comes up as a divider. Same again, looking at condition, going down the passenger side. All 4 alloys, free from any curbing. All doors in lovely order. All your panels, wings, front bumper, bonnet, even all the mirror caps are in nice order as well. Now this is a nice car, so quite rare to find, but we've got a full ebony black leather sport seat. So as you can tell, very nice order throughout. Looking at the bolsters of the seat base, driver seat is normally where you tend to pick up most of your wear. Coming through to the back, same goes condition wise, very nice. Isofix in the bottom, 3 seat belts, comfortable seating for 3, 12-volt power outlet. Looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched. Netting's all in nice order as well, so that's not stretched out and fraying away. Heated mirrors, 4 electric windows, child lock for the rear. Jumping inside, I'll show you through to some more of the lovely specification on this car. So automatic lights, automatic wipers, leather multifunction steering wheel. So on there you've got your voice command, volume and media controls, Bluetooth phone, all the controls for the virtual cockpit as well. So that's another big option on one of these. So front radar, very nice if you're looking to go on the motorway. Makes the driving experience that much easier. And then obviously the full virtual cockpit, giving you the full satellite navigation there. You can change the view, dead easy. All your media's on there, miles till empty, driver assistance, all through the screen. That's controlled via the buttons on the side. Then we've got the actual cruise control and speed limiter paddle there with the distance. So as you can see, ACC. Coming through then, this screen actually disappears into the dashboard when the car's switched off. Switch the car on, pops back out, and you're sorted. Now I know it's flickering on my phone there, but it's a steady screen. So going through, we've got our satellite navigation, which you can get up on there. We've got our Bluetooth phone, multimedia, obviously all your radio stations as well. But then clicking through, we've got our car information. So you've got your Audi Drive Select. Clicking back through, we've got our vehicle information, driver assistance, air conditioning, servicing and checks. You can adjust the bass, the tremble of the speakers, Now, when I say this one's got full phone connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as you'd expect on a car of this caliber. Then coming down, dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. 6-speed manual transmission, 12-volt power outlet, central cup holders, all the buttons and the center scroll wheel for the display. We've got auto hold on this vehicle, so ideal if you're in stop-start traffic all the time. Electric parking brake, central armrest, which is adjustable, and then within there you've got your 2 USB ports, aux port, special phone little holder there. All your book packs, CD player, SD card, SIM card, that's all in the glove box. But again, going through to condition, steering wheel is in nice order, so there's no nicks on that. The gear selector's in nice order. Looking at all the actual black plastics, that's in nice condition as well. It doesn't smell like it's been smoked in, doesn't smell like it's ever had any pets. Just a very, very nice, untouched example. So, if you'd like anything further on the vehicle, give us a call. If it's finance that you require, we do have lots of finance companies that we work with, so happy to secure the finance for you. If you've got a part exchange, very simple, just need some details on your car, mainly the registration and mileage, a little bit of information on the service history and condition, and we can get your price over the phone, over email. But if there's anything further that you need, give us a call, 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.